Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Wildlife Academy. In today's video, I will be guiding you through the process of using USDT from Binance to buy USC. We will start by depositing USDT to UbitScan, then walk you through the steps to purchase USC. Let's dive in and get started. First, to deposit USDT into UbitScan, just go to sale.ubitswap.com and then log in. Click on this deposit button and then copy the address. Now head to your Binance account, go to wallet tab and then select withdraw. Now select USDT and then select send via crypto network. In the address field, paste the UbitScan address that we just copied, and for network choose BNB Smart Chain BEP20. In the withdrawal amount field, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Enter any amount like 10. Once you confirm by clicking on this withdraw button, you will receive a success message indicating that your USDT has been transferred to your UbitSwap account. So here, as I already transferred USDT to my account, as you can see here that 35 USDT has been transferred to my UbitSwap account. As you can see here, I have successfully transferred my USDT to my UbitScan account earlier. I'm just giving you the example so that after sending USDT to your account, you should follow these steps. Like for additional confirmation, you can verify the receiving address matches. Like here, ends with 694F, ensuring that the USDT was sent to the correct account. After this transfer, just press the sync request button in UbitSwap, then go to the dashboard. Here, just go to dashboard. Next step is to buy USC with this USDT. Click the buy USC button, and here enter the amount of USC you wish to purchase. For example, if you want to buy 3 USC, then enter 9 USDT, as each USC equals 3 USDT. And here in the receiving address, I want to send this USC to my SafePal wallet, or you can send this USC to any other wallet as well. Just open your SafePal wallet and then go to USC, press receive, then copy the displayed address or scan the QR code, return to the UbitSwap website, paste your USC address here, enter the amount, and then here to confirm the transaction, click send OTP, then enter the OTP you receive and then press send request. Within a few seconds, our USC should appear in our SafePal wallet. So let me go to my SafePal wallet. Earlier I was having 6 USC. Let me refresh, and here you can see the updated USC is 12. So that's how you can buy USC from USDT and then transfer your USC to the SafePal wallet. So that's the process you should follow to buy USC. So thank you so much for watching.